The MOVA Z60 Ultra Robot is equipped with a powerful 28,000 Pascal suction capacity, making it highly effective for deep cleaning and particularly beneficial for pet owners. Its innovative AutoShield Carpet Protection system not only lifts the mop but also deploys a moisture-blocking shield, ensuring carpets remain dry and clean. The HydroForce Real-Time Mop Washing feature is designed with a 12-nozzle system that continuously rinses the roller mop, providing a streak-free cleaning experience. With its MaxiReach Edge-to-Edge Cleaning capability, the robot achieves nearly 100% coverage, efficiently cleaning corners, baseboards, and edges. The adaptive all-terrain mobility of the MOVA Z60, featuring the StepMaster 2.0 and LiftPro Chassis, allows it to navigate obstacles up to 8 centimeters and glide under low-clearance spaces. Its all-in-one self-care base station automates tasks such as auto-emptying, hot water mop washing, and hot air drying, offering truly hands-free cleaning convenience.